When things feel overwhelming, we often feel the need to push harder or do more. However, mental and physical power returns through simplification, by taking the time to make things as simple as possible. When clarity and the ability to focus are reduced, doing more can feel like the right response. But effort added to overload does not restore power. It usually drains it further. We often confuse power with force, leading us to push even harder, despite our internal resistance warning us to relax. True power comes from having enough room to respond, not from crowding ourselves into overload. Power appears when you allow recuperation and space to choose. Without this necessary space, your system defaults to protecting itself. Proper breathing space allows flexibility to return. Simplifying means reducing simultaneous demand, fewer inputs, fewer decisions, and fewer things competing for attention. This is what frees up your bandwidth. As the excessive load drops, a subtle shift occurs. Pause returns, perspective widens, and options that seemed invisible reappear. This can be viewed as motivation or the return of your willpower. Simplifying might feel like giving up, doing nothing, or falling behind. What is actually happening is recovery. Control does not come from holding more, it comes from holding what matters. Simplifying is not a retreat, but rather an alignment. Not everything needs attention at once. Ask yourself, what can wait? What doesn't need to be solved today? Remember, reduction is regulation, not avoidance. When you simplify, you become clearer, not smaller. Clarity is where power lives, not in force or pressure, but in having space. This is all for now. I post videos like this daily. To stay connected, just press that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Choose that video. Yes, that one. Thank you.